Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. Trains to London leave a train station every 26 minutes. Trains to Cardiff leave the same train station every 30 minutes. A train to London and a train to Cardiff both leave the train station at 7:45 a.m. Show that the next time a train to London and a train to Cardiff both leave the train station at the same time is after 2 p.m. Right, let's quickly work out the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. So you've got 26 minutes over here. Let's write that down. And you've also got 30 minutes. Let's write that down over here as well. So breaking it down as a product of prime factors, it's going to be 2 multiplied by 13. And they're both prime numbers. So let's circle this 2 and the 13. And this will work out to be 2 multiplied by 3, which will give me 6. And multiplied by 5, which will give me 30. And again, that's the product of its prime factors. So let's work at the LCM. What we're going to do, we're going to ignore the common numbers and we'll just use it once. So for example, there's a 2 in each one, so we'll just use it on one occasion. We're not going to repeat it. Then the next smallest number is a 3. The next smallest number is a 5. The next smallest number is a 13. And then 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 multiplied by 13. That's the same as 10 times 30, which is going to give you 300. 3 times 30, which is going to be 90. So to add these two together. So in total, that's going to give you 390 minutes. Now, by all means, you are allowed to use a calculator, but please do show you're working out. Do write it down. Now, let's see what this works out in terms of hours. So I know that each set of 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So therefore, I know that 6 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 360, and I need to add on another additional 30 minutes. Okay, so therefore this works out to be 6 hours. 6 hours plus 30 minutes. So if, for example, let's write that down, and 30 minutes, let's draw a margin over here. If, for example, the train's left at 7:45, let's write it down. If they left at 7:45, let's write that down, 7:45. If they left at this time, and we're going to add 6 hours to that, so let's add 6 hours, add 6 hours. Well, 7 plus 6 is going to give me 13. So we'll be over here at 13:45, but we still need to add on that additional 30 minutes. So add 30 minutes more, and what will happen is that will take us up to 14, 50, and that's obviously going to be PM, and that shows us which is after 2 p.m, which is thingy. So 14:15 is more than 2 p.m. which is more than 2 p.m. This is obviously after 2 p.m. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.